For more general view and for new entrants, with innovative business ideas, there are probably top three general candidates for metrics, which all sharing models have in common. And the first one is reliability. And by that, I mean vehicle access by the renter that always has to work with or without cellular coverage. And for the very simple reason, the goal there has to be 100%. And the reason is this decides if the driver can use the vehicle. Right? And this is immediately a terrible user experience. And not good for your business reputation. The second one is data. Do I get all the data I need for my operations? What do I get? How quickly do I get it? How accurate is it? In particular, when you think about vehicle health and location, that's very important in a lot of operations, both within the rental, for example, to comply with use policies. Sometimes you have to stay within city limits, or you must not cross a country border, stuff like that. But also between rentals, when the vehicle is sitting idle, for example, to detect towing or tampering with the vehicle. And the third one I would think is infleeting and defleeting options. Is the telematics solution compatible with all the makes and models in my fleet today and in a year or 3 years from now? And also, what options do I have to install and deinstall telematics, and what is the effort for that? So these are the most general ones you can think of